to our first Portage County Public Library unboxing video. So here we go. Now this box features children's nonfiction titles, so lots of great information books. Oh, lots of plastic. Oh, look at these. Some great big books here. Okay, let's see what we have. V is for voting. Oh, that is a great time to get kids interested in the voting process. Everyone's talking about it right now, of course. Oh, Mr. Rogers, Fred's Big Feelings. I'm trying to love rocks. Bringing back the wolves. Look at how big and beautiful these are. Ooh. Oh, do you hear the crackling? All those pages are so new, they're sticking together. Look at all this space information, that's beautiful. Oh, this is illustrated by Oge Mora, who is a Caldecott Honor winner. And we love her other picture books. Let's see. I'll just quickly go through some of these other titles. Ooh, incredible body cross sections. Jobs You've Never Heard. This is a huge book. Oh my gosh. Fortune Cookie Writers. Who ever thought of being that? Christmas Light Untangler. More human body. Oh, look at this. Dinosaurs. "1,000 Inventions." Oh, this will be great for you e-learners, homeschoolers. Get busy with some experiments this winter. Ready? Wait for it. I've got lots of books to pile up right here. Oh my gosh. Some of you are going to be very happy. Look at all of these Who Was titles. Where is the Congo? Oh. Look at those. Ooh, more voting books. Look at this guy, is so cute. Oh, the ABCs of Diversity, helping kids and ourselves embrace our differences. Get yourselves on the wait list for that one now. And then finally we have The Times Machine. Ooh. Chef Junior. Look at that. Super delicious recipes. For kids, by kids. Okay. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing video, and be sure to search hashtag PCPL unboxing for more videos like this. Thank you.